You see? Very nice. Now everything is under control. Yeah, happy. We send it to the histopathology and it will give us the report. What's there? What type of tumor is it? Is it benign? Is it malignant? And also the grade. You know what's the grade?
Yes.
What's the difference between the staging and the grading of the cancer? Yeah? What is staging of the cancer? What is the stage? The stage is the extent to where it reached. We call it the stage. It is in stage 1, or stage 2, or stage 3, or stage 4. Is it still related to the wall, or stage 1? Small. Stage 2, no. It's begun to invade the whole wall. Stage 2. Stage 3, it reached to the nearby. Stage 4, metastasis. The grade is the how much this tumor is aggressive. The aggressiveness of the cancer, of the tumor. Is it grade 1, or grade 2, or grade 3? Is it well differentiated? That means the deviation from the normal cells. So we call it, it's okay, it's well differentiated. Sometimes more aggressive, we call it moderately differentiated. This is grade 2. Grade 3, it is undifferentiated, or what you call it poorly differentiated. So the staging is the extent of the cancer. The grading is the how much it is aggressive, the aggressiveness of the cancer. For each one has its own management. What is the spread?